folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Marty. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried crappie. The main ingredients we need a cleaned crappie, and we need 1 scallion, 3 cloves of garlic, and thin slice cut ginger or just sliced ginger. Either is okay. So those are main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. This scallion already washed, peeled dead leaves. We cut the root off, and we cut it like this, just this long, like this. We put it into the bowl. This is scallion or green onion we get. This is the garlic. We cut the already cut the bottom part off. Cut the bottom part off. Right. So then we cut it from the middle. Cut from half, like this. And put it into like this. And put it into a pot. The ginger, you can use this thin sliced ginger. You can slice it, cut it thin, or you also can. You can go to my video to the 3-way cut ginger. You can use this kind of ginger, thin sliced ginger, like this, or you also use the sliced piece of ginger to do this dish. It's all up to you. Okay, we're seasoning the fish with the salt. We add a pinch of salt. Don't add too much, just a little on the fish. Don't add too much. Just a little on the fish. This is a black pepper. We add a pinch to it on top of fish. And turn over. This is the cooking one. We add probably not more than 1 teaspoon. Just add a little on it. If the fish is very big, you need to cut it. So like you watch my video to steam the bass, then we do cut it and turn over and then cut it. So let the fish more seasoning, because this is a small fish, so we just easy to seasoning, so we don't need to worry about it. So just like this. Then we just leave the fish here and cover it and let it stay there for a few minutes. Turn the stove. Medium flame, low medium, a little low medium flame, and put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much. And rinse the pot. When oil is hot, we add 1 teaspoon of not 1 teaspoon, a pinch of salt. They kind of like form a layer in the pot. Probably half teaspoon, I think. This is a seasoning fish. We use a paper towel to dry it, to get the liquid away. Then we put the fish into it like this. Be very careful, don't burn by the oil. Don't move the fish, just let it slow. Unless one side, like this, to move the fish. Until the other side become crispy and brown and crispy, then brown and crispy turn to the other side. And we put the salt this way, and the fish won't stick to the pot. This is the trick part. Okay, I think we try to turn the other side and fry the other side. So this I still need to fry a little well. Let it become brown. Just don't stand too close. Be careful the oil. Don't burn by the oil. Remember, the flare need to be the lower the medium flare. We just slowly to fry. Don't not medium flare, not high flare. Just little lower than the medium flare. Just like this, move it. Slowly until this is move, then you move it. Okay, for instance, good. Just keep going. So we fry the outside. Just keep frying. I remember to do like this to fry it, so the fish won't stick to the pot. We already put the salt, but we still need to like this to move the fish. Okay, then we can over to fry the outside. Okay. We fried both sides. For this side, fry the can over fry the outside. When both sides you see becomes golden brown, then we'll get the fish out. We just fry the outside later on. So right now the fish I think is already fully cooked. So you need the fire need to be very lower than the medium fire to slowly do this. If the fire is too high, it will burn the fish and the fish is not cooked. So this is the trick part is you need to slowly be patient do this. Fry the outside also for a little while. You see when this side, both sides become this golden brown, then we get the fish out and put it in a plate. This is our cilantro, garlic, and then we also put our ginger into it. Then slice the ginger, then slice the cajun or slice the ginger, either is okay. Then we fry it. Slowly fry, until the low medium fire, slowly fry, and until those scallion, ginger, and garlic release good smell. Now you see the scallion, garlic, and the ginger already kind of become golden brown. Outside have golden brown color, and right now they are fully cooked. You add the fish into it. You fry it. Don't stir hard. Be very gentle to the fish. Just like this. Don't add any salt to it because we already have some salt in the pot. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to it. Be careful. Okay, like this. Like this. Just turn it over. Okay. Just be very gentle. And then the other side. I'll put the seasoning on the top of the fish to give more flavor. Okay. Right now I think this dish is done on top of the stove. Put the fish to the plate. Get the fish to the plate. And then add this. Fry the fish. So the fried crappie, this dish is done, and Chinese name is called 香煎黑莓鲈. And I hope this dish is done. I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.